I believe in the next week or two, the crypto market will have another major correction. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free crypto on every single purchase. And now let's jump straight into the video. So over the last 2 months, the crypto market hasn't been doing very well. We have seen lower lows after lower lows. Don't get me wrong, after every big drop, we have a couple days where we correct and we start pumping again. But right after we start pumping, we have another major correction. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, the Ethereum chart, that is the exact same pattern. We have a major dip, a small correction, followed by another major dip. And most of these dips have no real reason behind them, but they're still dipping. So there's definitely a lot of anxiety in the crypto space. Also a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And in my opinion, those are the main reasons why the market is performing like it is. But if you thought the last 2 months were bad for crypto, things can get even worse, especially with the situation in Europe between Russia and Ukraine. In my opinion, they are inches away from a major conflict that pretty much will not end well for either party. If there's a war between these two countries, the entire market is going to crash. Not only crypto, but the stock market as well. And in my opinion, the chances of war happening are getting higher and higher by the day. Russia has given the United States and its NATO allies a list of demands, pretty much Russia's red lines. US and NATO have pretty much made it clear that they will not be meeting Russia's demands. Also, Russia has sent over 100,000 troops to the border of Ukraine. And today there was a major cyber attack on Ukraine. Also today, the United States has stated that the Russians are preparing a false flag attack to pretty much give them reason to invade Ukraine. Right now, the tensions are definitely there and things can turn ugly very quick. If they do, the entire market is going to suffer, especially crypto. Don't get me wrong, the stock market is going to experience a major crash, and recently the crypto market has been following stocks. If stocks are crashing, crypto is crashing. So if stocks crash big, crypto is going to crash even more. One other thing that I would like to mention, there isn't really a lot of positive things happening in order to drive the markets up even higher. But being completely honest, there's still a lot of great development happening in the crypto space, such as NFTs, the metaverse. There's going to be a lot of adoption coming in. But in my opinion, it is not going to happen overnight. The metaverse will be a game changer in my opinion, but it will take years and years before it gets mass adoption. It will not happen overnight. And in that time, there's going to be a lot of pain in the market. And now if you made it through the depressing part of this video, I appreciate you. And now let me give you some positive news. Over the next couple of weeks, if the situation in Ukraine gets even worse and there's an actual war, I believe it will be the best time to start scooping up some crypto. Don't get me wrong, the stock market is going to crash as well, but I believe crypto will crash even more. And in my opinion, that will present one of the best opportunities to buy some of your favorite coins. Personally, I'll be putting the majority of my money into crypto. There's going to be a lot of amazing projects that will be selling for major discounts. I believe dollar cost averaging will be the perfect strategy to take advantage of these major dips. And also January, February, March are potentially going to be the best time this year to dollar cost average into crypto. And that is exactly what I plan on doing. I will invest 25% into stocks, the other 75% into crypto. And I believe that will give me great results by the end of this year. Also, positions that are in the green, anywhere between 30, 40, and 50%, I am definitely taking profits off the table. This way, I will have a bunch of stablecoin sitting in my accounts to dollar cost average into some of my favorite coins. Personally, I believe that is the best strategy, especially right now when the market just keeps dipping for no reason. But I believe that is the opportunity that is presented to us to dollar cost average into our favorite coins. The entire Russia-Ukraine situation will be very bad for the entire market, stocks and crypto. But I personally believe it will be a temporary pain. Unless things start getting out of control and NATO gets involved, the US gets involved, and the conflict starts spreading. Then things can turn very bad very quick. Personally, I believe it will cause a crash that will last a couple weeks to a month. And then we should start recovering once again. But being completely honest, I am still extremely bullish on crypto. And I believe come springtime, summertime, we are going to see a massive rally and a lot of new all-time highs. So personally, I'm still dollar cost averaging into my favorite positions. And I think that is definitely the right play for the long term. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, do you believe this Ukraine-Russia situation can cause a major correction in the crypto space? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.